Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the Remove tool, Healing tool, and Spot Healing tool. Let's get started. These two tools are located on your toolbar on the left of the screen. Let's go over the Remove tool first. The Remove tool lets you remove any distractions or unwanted objects in your image. You can choose the size of your brush here. When you're done with that, draw over the object that you want to make disappear. And as you can see, our subject is gone. The next tool we have is the Healing Brush tool. The Healing Brush tool lets you repair selections of your image using the texture you selected. You can select a texture from your image by holding Option or Alt on PC and clicking on the part of the image that you want to take the texture from. Or up here, you can choose the pattern and select a pattern of your choice. As you can see, when I choose the texture from the image, it blends in nicely, and it can help with removing any unwanted spots on your image. The Spot Healing Brush tool lets you quickly select any part of your image and it will be content aware filled. You can also choose between creating textures or proximity match. Let me show you content aware fill first. When you select your brush size, hardness and spacing, just draw over the thing you want to make disappear. When you're done, you can clean up the spots that it messed up. When you choose Create Texture, Photoshop will try to recreate the texture from around your selection. And when you choose Proximity Match, Photoshop will fill your selection using what is around it. For most cases, I recommend using Content Aware. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.